but it's just these two. Yeah.
Yeah. Funky.
Funky. I did, yeah, bro. It was good. So this is just rethreading, not rethreading, but I don't know, what's it doing?
Chasing.
Chasing.
Making sure the threads in there are healthy, you know, nothing in there. After you paint a frame, usually you get some grit, you know, you get some paint in there, even if you covered it. So this is just yum yum.
Oh, the one and only, man, Marlon, Baby London. You know, we're doing it. Check it out, people. It's ready. And that's Thomson on that. Watch that. Oy. Gang, gang. Let's do it. It's been a long day. But we're out here. Gotta get these bikes crankside, I swear to you. Just look how much of a difference that makes now. And look how much of a difference that makes now. Yeah, if you know, you know. That's what I'm telling you, people. If you know, you know. These things. Google's a good thing. Check it out. Check it out. My bike. You have no idea, I was so gassed. Watch the Thomson. It's finished. Finished. It's actually a finished product now. It's been like an extra hour just getting this on. I swear down, I've had some problems with the thread. It's all been crazy. And do you know what? Look at this. Look at these finish. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. It's just not good enough. It's not good enough. Not for my back. So I might change it. Now that the camera's working, I'm gonna I need to ask Marlon if he's getting ready to go. Look, I might have to ask him to stay open an extra 30 minutes. I might have to change it. Honestly, it just doesn't look right. Might keep it. Might keep it. Who knows? Find out soon enough. Boom.
A bit of competition.
How you doing, bro?
What you saying, brother?
I'm alright, my guy. Sorry, bro.
It's yours.
Oh, I was saying, you lucky fucking guy. This is an amazing build, bro. I'm alright.
Yeah?
I am. Fixed, of course. Of course. Taking that one off and then taking the crank off. This ain't coming off. Oh my God. What? Chain is stuck. How do you even get the top? Yank it out, my guy. So I'm not talking to this guy, watch it. Yank it out, look, yank it out. Turn it back, turn it back. Oh yeah, your one's a little bit tricky though, still.
Is that a camera?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. It's out, it's out, it's out. It's alright, bro. Let's get back to what I'm doing. Let's get back to what I'm doing. These are the bolts that hold it in the crank. Show you something. 1 minute. Okay. You small things. Hey, holding all of that tension. Man. It's a good strong bolt. Done with this. This is what we're running through next. Obviously a spanner, and this is a crank removing tool. Something as simple as this. Watch. I'll come up close if you look. Watch this close. Watch this close shot. Watch this close shot. Watch, I'm gonna try new things out. No, what's problematic right now? It's not going out. I told you I've done. Marlon, I need your help, Marlon. Look what it's grinding off. This is the reason why, sorry, you never paint your own crank. Look how I've messed up inside there. Look at that. You see that? I don't know if this camera's doing it justice, but I have messed up all those threads. All of them. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, cool. You're gonna have to see this. You're gonna see this firsthand now. Can I come help me please, son? Hey, no. Painted and destroyed. How I'm gonna get this off, I don't know. But you know what? Everyone's eating. Everyone's eating. Grubby as well. My jumper's there. He's gonna. I'm in a problem. Sticky one. A very sticky one. So yeah, we were able to do it. Look at all that paint mash up. All of that, look at that. Like seriously, are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So now, I've got this beauty that you all know. I'm gonna swap out. I'm gonna swap out. I'm gonna swap out. Uh-oh.
The reason why it's stuck is that the inside is scraping the inside, so I'm moving smaller ones.
That's how it is. That's how it's done. Straight over. Oh, right again. I thought you were passed. I thought you were trying to get the crank off me.
Yeah, we got it. We got this out.
How bad does it look? Does it look bad? Fucked.
Nah, that's just you know, the excess paint, right?
Okay. Of the actual paint.
Of the paint that was here.
Okay.
Look at that.
So I've grinded something out there, innit?
Usually you have to face it. It's called facing tool. But when you respray, you just flatten it out. But that's fine. That's not the problem. Let's just put the other bottom bracket in.
It's going in now, man. It's going in now. Look at that. It's like nothing wants to work for me. Can you see that? There is no thread in this bike. None. So I can't even take this off. I can't even take this BB out to put it back. I say back, but to put in this one. Look at the problem I'm in. Look at the problem I'm in.
I do one though.
Babyldn Bikes has got it. I'll send you the money now. What is it?
It's a BB.
Cool, we're good.
107, so it's quite track.
Babyldn Bikes has got it. Always got it. Look at that. It's fresh in the packet. Marlon. Always the saviour. Always the saviour. Some call him Jesus, you know. What do you call me? Some call him Jesus. He's a saviour. He's the bike saviour. Man, this is longer than planned. Longer than planned. But we're filming it for your view, you know, for your view and pleasure. Yeah. We actually check some other bikes out. It's been a busy last hour and a half. What are you looking for, bro? What have you lost? A screw. And so many on the floor as well. It's right there, no? Is that not it? What's that there? That's it, right? That would do it. Shit, man said that would do. There we go. Obviously gotta cut that wire, look at that. Take your eye out. Oh, let's do it. Alright, watch it. So now, black one's on. Keeping the Seginos. Come on. Keeping them Segino pistons. I'm gonna take these off and salvage them. These niche ones. But yeah, this is all going. All of that. Anyways, let's go. So basically, you lot think I'm joking, yeah? Problems after problems after problems. That's what we're finalizing with. Black side. Red side. Come on. Trying to make a good thing bad. A bad thing good, sorry, I should say. Trying to see the good side of it.
Turn it into comedy.
I should see the good side of it, innit? Like, oh my gosh, it's one after the other. Honestly, I can't take this arm off. I can't take this arm off, so that's why I have to use this arm. Fixie life. We're doing it. We're doing it. And we're doing it well. Come on. So, just another quick update. So, because of the whole issue with the cranks, I'm now... you lot have no joke how much... None of this should have been planned. I'm going to put red and black. Obviously, I'm going to put straps on there. You lot are going to see my amazing straps. And I'm going to put a red one on this side. It's going to be black and red. No? Makes sense, no? Yeah, I think it is. So what I'm doing now, people, is putting on the other odd hours. Nah, so yeah, so I did take it off, I thought so, idiot. So what I'm doing now, people, is obviously putting on the other odd pedals, because I've just finished this one. Need to clean it, man. This had a lot of beating around. So I've got red on one side, black on the other. It's amazing, it's amazing. Yeah. So obviously on this side I've got red and black arms and red arms and black chainring, which is gonna also have a black pedal on, which is, yeah, we'll get that. You know it? Cheese! Wait. Let's start this one again. Let's just have I started something new here? Are we? Yeah, I know you're a lot of feeling this. I'm feeling it. I might adjust. This will be cool. Little front wheel at the front. A nice proper wheel at the back. It's just been a nice lean forward aero. Oh,